Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to perform a factory reset on the Sony Headphones WH-1000XM4. Let's get started. As a first step, we need to make sure that our headphones are turned off, they are not connected to any device, and they are not charging. And also keep in mind that after this reset, all of these settings will be forgotten and devices that these headphones has been connected to also. Now we can start. We would need to find these two buttons on the left headphone, which is power on, power off button and a custom button, and hold it for about 7 seconds until the indicator will start blinking. When it starts blinking, we would need to stop holding these two buttons. So let's do it. I am holding these two buttons and waiting until the indicator will blink. Now we can stop holding these two buttons and wait a few seconds. And now when the indicator stops blinking, that means that the factory reset has been successful, and you would need to connect your headphones to a device one more time. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.